Okay, cold start video on the 1988 BMW 325. There we go. 66 degrees. If it's 66 and raining, must be summer in Cleveland. Okay, here we go. New timing belt, new fuel pressure regulator, new fuel injectors, plugs, wires, new belts, new fan clutch, relatively new battery, about a year and a half old. So all in all, it's in great shape. I did test the compression, and they came, it was like they were all right around 160. All about the same, between 160 and 165. If you do a borescope, I did a borescope in a couple of the cylinders, not all, and you can actually still see the cross hatching on the cylinder walls. So it doesn't use any oil in between oil changes. It doesn't leak anything. So all in all, it's got all indications of being a pretty healthy engine. And you all know that take care of these and they'll run forever.